Hey, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This video probably is not going to be long at all. Because I'm actually just starting to, I'm trying to back get out this damn parking space that they're going a big old circle. Okay, here we go. Okay, because today, this is the Car Chronicles. My Car Chronicles, I probably will have to change these videos to something else in the morning because my job is not like 3 minutes from the house. So there's not really much of a video to do, I guess I put it that way. So, I'll probably change it to something else. I have no idea just yet. I don't know, whatever. But I'm starting today, so like I said, I'm a little bit nervous, of course. Not nervous about as far as doing the job. I'm sure I'll do that fine, but just, of course, who the coworkers are, who's in the office, their temperaments. That's the first thing I always think about when I'm always going somewhere new, meeting people, that kind of thing. Whether it's a job or just a networking event or whatever it is, that's always something that's like I said, that's usually on my mind anyway, just to know what kind of people they are. So, like I said, I know I've interviewed with I guess, let me see, about 6 of them, I guess. So I guess I know about 6 folks in the office, I guess. I don't remember their names offhand, I guess I can say that. But I do remember some of the faces and that kind of thing. So, I do remember that part. So like I said, definitely, like I said, I'm driving there now. And I should have put my GPS on. I actually forgot. But I'm sure I should be able to find it because I know I saw it the other day when we were driving down this way. So I know I saw it. I just got to figure out where the hell it was. Okay, y'all. If I have to cut the GPS off, then I'll do that. But I think I know where it's at. I hope I do. I'm trying to figure out where it's at, y'all. But like I said, I hope y'all doing well. But like I said, the Car Chronicles probably won't be a Car Chronicle because it's not really far that I actually have to go. So, yeah, I'm supposed to turn there. So how am I supposed to get in there then? Does it go around the back way? No. Okay. Well, let me see then. Maybe I guess I have to turn and make a U-turn because they have 1,000 U-turn things here. Because it looks like I have to make a U-turn and actually go back because I can't actually make another turn up in that office thing. That's crazy. Okay. Usually they have 2 or 3 ways to get in, but I guess maybe just one way in, one way out, I guess the way it looks, I suppose. So that's fine. I'll turn back around and go right back. So it's fine. All right, going back, y'all. Thank you, truck, for turning, because I see all these cars, and I was about to make a U-turn. But like I said, down here, y'all, they have all these U-turn lanes. You can just turn, like the stoplights make U-turns and all these, but you have to be careful, of course. I mean, they have all these U-turn lanes. I'm used to that back home. In St. Louis, they didn't really have U-turn lanes like that. We barely couldn't even make a U-turn. I guess I put it that way anyway, because it was against the law or whatever. I don't know. I guess against the law, whoever it was against, I guess. But like I said, it definitely was something different. I guess I put it that way. Let me see, y'all. I'm trying to get back here so I can get into this actual thing to turn. So where was it? Because it says I can only go in one way. This is really silly, actually. So I guess I have to go down that way. Okay. Guess I have to go down this way. Okay. Then come back around, it looks like. So that is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Lord have mercy. Okay. I'm going back around, y'all. As y'all can tell, I'm going back around. Since I done missed the turn on the first day. Even though I ain't supposed to be there for like another 10 minutes, 11 minutes. But I was trying to make sure I get there on time. But with this turn around, I'm sure I still should be fine anyway. So I'm still on time. So I'm just like, Lord have mercy. All right. I'm going to make another U-turn. Go back to the office, I guess. Come on, car. Because if not, I'll be sitting here forever. Lord. These pieces with a side of Reese's. Goodness gracious. All right. Now I got to figure out the turn that it had. Oh, there. I see the enter. I think that's enter. Yep, that's enter. So now I know that's the right way to enter. I guess I put it that way. Okay. Right way to enter. Right way to enter. All righty. And this place is actually similar to our, back in St. Louis, we had, because I worked for a home health agency in the area, of course. But it was like their division of aging, like the St. Louis, what's called AAA, I think. The Area Agency on Aging. It's something like that, what it was called. This is kind of like the same kind of agency, or similar agency. They don't do home health care, but I mean, it's a similar agency. Working with, oh, Lord, my sun visor. Working with seniors, their caregivers, and I'll tell y'all more about it later on. Or I guess as much as I can tell, because I don't know if it's top secret. I have no idea. Because I know some places don't want you to tell everything. I don't know. But I don't see any harm in letting y'all know, like I said, kind of what the job will entail. I'll definitely tell y'all that later on. So, like I said, but y'all, like I said, I'm going to have to go ahead and get off here. I'm going into the building shortly. Actually, in like a few minutes, I'll be going into the building shortly. But like I said, I just definitely want to check in with y'all, let y'all know what's going on. Keep y'all kind of abreast on my story, my journey here as well. In the new place, the new Tucson, I guess I put it that way. It's my first time staying here. Living anywhere outside of St. Louis. So I think it's been awesome so far. We've been to, and I have more Mount Lemon pictures to share with you all. I have like 30, 40 pictures to share that I'll actually put them into a TikTok video today. And then I'll share that video instead of showing all these pictures and stuff like that. So, but like I said, we definitely, we went up there. That was last week. I didn't drive. My partner drove. So I couldn't really still drive with my shoulder messed up. I couldn't really lift my arm and all that. Now I can lift it with no problem. So I'm actually excited about that. But like I said, that was definitely very, very nice to see. The first time I went up to Mount Lemon was actually last April when we actually visited here. Thinking about moving, that kind of thing. We went like halfway up. This time we actually went all the way up until like the whole road ended. I put it that way. Which has like an awesome resort up there. It's actually several resorts. Well, it's a few resorts throughout. But it has like some like cabins and beautiful log cabins and homes and all that kind of stuff up there. It has like general stores and the same kind of thing that Vegas had actually when I drove up like up the mountain with a friend of mine, Sharitha, down in Vegas. It was a similar kind of thing. But this place, they had more homes and log cabins and that kind of thing. So that was beautiful to see actually. So like I said, that was awesome. And we did drive over to Marana, Arizona. We had no idea. It was like about a few blocks. Well, not a few blocks, maybe like a mile or two down the road. It was Marana, but I know there was a part that we were trying to look at. We couldn't really go see because it started to storm and the rain, and they have things. I know I posted some last night too about these bad rains called monsoons. I'm like, this is crazy. It's the first time I've ever seen something like this. I mean, it poured down for like, I don't know, about 20 minutes or something, like a whole hurricane. And I'm asking my partner, do they have a hurricane? I mean, not hurricanes, but tornadoes here. He said no, but the wind was blowing so hard. And I was like, oh my God, this is crazy. But like I said, that was yesterday. But let me get out this car, y'all, so I talk to y'all about how the job went once I get off today. I drive myself, I guess, 3 minutes back home, I guess. It's at some point, actually, I'm going to start walking here, actually. Because I got tennis shoes and stuff like that because it ain't that far. But right now, it's kind of, well, it's like almost 80 degrees. So probably not on days like this, like the middle of the summer. Probably on days when it's like September, October, November, those kind of months, I will definitely probably be walking some to get some exercise and stuff, too. So with that, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get off here. Y'all have a great day. Like I said, this is my first day of working here at the Department of Aging. I guess is what the act, well, it's not, that's not what it's called, but it's their Department of Aging, like we had it back at home. And like I said, I'll definitely let y'all know how things went. So y'all have a great day. Take care, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.